Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 58. The type of bond between atoms of an element with atomic number 7 each is A. Coordinate covalent, B. Covalent, C. Hydrogen, D. Ionic, and E. Metallic. Now, an element with atomic number 7 or the element with atomic number 7 from the periodic table is nitrogen. So basically, we are being asked the type of bond between the atoms of what nitrogen. Now, since nitrogen has 7 proton numbers, which is the atomic number, therefore it has what 7 electrons. So 7 electrons. Now remember, it is these electrons that is involved in what in bond formation. So an atom of nitrogen will be represented as this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you count all these together, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now plus another atom of nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now when these chemically react together, they will give. Now there are 3 electrons here that are lone. That is, they are not paired. We have only 1 paired electron and 3 unpaired electrons. Likewise, on this other atom too of nitrogen, there are 3 unpaired electrons here. Now these 3 unpaired electrons of this atom here will share its unpaired electrons with the unpaired electrons of this to give paired electrons, so that their configuration can be stable, giving rise to, we'll have something like this. And these are the 2 atoms. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now these 2 atoms will now share their electrons amongst themselves. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now if you count these total electrons outside now, then plus the other one, 1, 2, 1, that's the paired electrons. Now when you count it together, you see that the electrons now are now complete on each atom, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, now for this paired electron, now you can see that they've shared it. This has shared its paired electron with this, and likewise this has shared its paired electron with this. So you've seen that they have a stable octet structure now, because this one now is complete shared, that is paired. This is also paired, and paired. So having 8 electrons on its outermost shell, and same too for this paired here, paired, having 8 electrons on its outermost shell. So we can now call this the nitrogen molecule. Now this type of bonding is what we call covalent bonding, because covalent bonding is a type of bonding whereby the atoms involved in this bonding share electrons. They share their electrons. So that is option B. Now in terms of coordinate covalent bonding, in coordinate covalent bonding, only one atom donates the electrons to be shared. So one atom donates the electron to be shared. But for the covalent bonding, you can see that both atoms donated the electrons. This donated one, this donated one, they shared it, which is this. This donated one, this donated one, they shared it, which is this, and this last one donated it, and they donated the last one to, which is this. So you can see that is covalent bonding. Now in terms of hydrogen bonding occurs between hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen, and hydrogen and fluorine, most especially. So the bonding between these is mostly hydrogen bonding, and this hydrogen bond is a very, very strong bond that keeps them together, and this hydrogen bond enables the product to be soluble in water. Now this here says ionic bond. Ionic bond simply involves the transfer of electrons. Usually from a metallic atom to a non-metallic atom. The metallic bond is a type of bond that occurs in metals, that is the atoms of metals. So the answer to this question is option B, covalent bond, because of the sharing of electron among these 2 atoms. That is, both atoms donated the electrons to be shared. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.